Which of the following expresses the correct order of events? A. Gutenberg was born in Mainz, invested in mirrors, and then became a goldsmith. B. Gutenberg created the printing press, printed the Bible, and then invented the metal mirror. C. Gutenberg went to college, revealed his press, and then invested in shiny mirrors. Or D. Gutenberg studied goldsmithing, invented the printing press, and then lost his shop. Let's go through each choice and see if, according to the text, the events happened in this order. A. Gutenberg was born in Mainz, invested in mirrors, and then became a goldsmith. We actually don't see any proof of Gutenberg becoming a goldsmith in the text. We do see him practicing the profession of his father, but nowhere does it say that he himself became a goldsmith. Because of this can be marked as incorrect, as this event never happened. B. Gutenberg created the printing press, printed the Bible, and then invented the metal mirror. Again, we see proof in the text of Gutenberg inventing the printing press, but nowhere does it discuss him inventing the metal mirror. He invested in metal mirrors, but did not invent them. Again, based on this technicality, this choice can be eliminated. C. Gutenberg went to college, revealed his press, and then invested in shiny mirrors. The text tells us that Gutenberg only shared his greatest secret with his investors, his greatest secret being the invention of the printing press, because he was trapped in a difficult situation. This difficult situation was the fact that Gutenberg took investments and created many polished metal mirrors, which he wasn't able to sell in the end. Because the text says that Gutenberg only revealed his idea for the printing press because his mirror investment went poorly, we can see that he first invested in mirrors and as an outcome decided to share his printing press. Therefore, because this choice has him revealing his press before investing in shiny mirrors, this can be marked as incorrect. D. Gutenberg studied goldsmithing, invented the printing press, and then lost his shop. We've seen that Gutenberg practiced the profession of his father, goldsmithing, during his young adult life, roughly 1418. Many years later, 1439, is when he invested in mirrors and subsequently was forced to introduce his idea of the printing press. Therefore, these first two ideas, according to the text, are in order. The last idea, too, and then lost his shop, goes according to the text. We see towards the end of the text that Gutenberg's brilliant idea would soon change the world, but he found himself in financial trouble once again and was sued by one of his investors. Gutenberg lost control of the shop that he had created and was effectively bankrupt. Because all of these events happened in the order they happened in the text, we can mark D as our final answer.